It was great to talk to you about the au pair search earlier. We are now preparing the first selection of au pairs for you. Once you have had the chance to go through the au pair profiles, we would love to hear your feedback. I know we have covered quite a lot of information today, so here's a recap of the process. For the first step, we call you for consultation and discuss your needs and preferences. Step 2, we activate your search with a £40 search deposit. Step 3, you get your shortlist and can start interviewing right away. Step 4, you confirm your au pair and pay the placement fee. Step 5, Smart Au Pairs provides support material. Step 6, au pair travels and joins your family. In the consultation, we will discuss your needs and priorities in more detail and answer any further questions you may have. This will also help us to find the right candidates for you. After the consultation, we will activate your search with a £40 search deposit. We will send you a separate email to confirm the activation of your search. This email will have an attachment with interview guidelines and sample questions. As soon as your au pair search has been activated, our team will start selecting candidates for you. We handpick candidates specific to your preferences and requirements. You will receive a further email to confirm that your shortlist is ready, and we continue to proactively introduce candidates for you and to follow up on your progress until you have found the right au pair. You will have access to the list of candidates by logging in at the Smart Au Pairs website. The login section is located at the upper right-hand side corner of the website. You will need your personal username and password to view the shortlist. On the first Au Pair Matches page, you will find the list of candidates. To see the details of each shortlisted candidate, please click on View to open the au pair profile. Each profile has 3 pages. Please use the tabs near the top of the page to move from one page to another. The first, Details section, gives you the core information on the candidate. The second, More section, includes notes on the candidate. By scrolling down on this page, you will also find the complete documentation as attachments. The third section will include pictures of the au pair. At Smart Au Pairs, all candidates have full background checks and documentation, including the application forms, letter, photos, references, and medical and police check. Our candidates come from top overseas agencies who ensure vetting and preparation of the candidates. Smart Au Pairs also interviews each of the au pair candidates. The detail and more page of the au pair profile will give you more information as to how to contact the candidate. We recommend contacting candidates first via email to allow them the time to prepare for your call. You can contact the candidates directly, and we recommend you to do so soon to avoid disappointments. You do not need to contact us first. Many candidates have Skype, and this is definitely the recommended form of communication, as it is one step closer to a real face-to-face interview. As soon as the au pair accepts your invitation, we will issue an invoice for the placement. All placements include a 30-day free replacement guarantee. For more information on the cost, please see our fees page. Au pairs pay for their own travel and insurance. When the placement is confirmed, we will provide you with an agreement template to outline the core details of the role, such as the hours and the pocket money. In addition, we will also send you a family handbook guide via email to provide a further comprehensive information pack on how to prepare for the au pair stay. For the au pair, we send a separate welcome pack by post with lots of useful information on finding friends or finding a language course, for example. The au pairs would also receive their own handbook guide as well as a handy au pair planner. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us on 0800 917 8166 or via email to info@smartaupairs.com. We look forward to helping you with your au pair search.